Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need vodka. I'm using rojos today, ginger beer, cranberry syrup, and some fresh lime juice. Alright, so we're gonna start by making the cranberry syrup. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for the equipment that I used to make this video. Now that we got that out of the way, let's make this drink now. Alright, in a copper mug, I'm gonna start by adding 2 ounces of vodka. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of cranberry syrup. Then we're gonna add half ounce of fresh lime juice. I'm gonna stir it. Then we're gonna add some cracked ice. And finally, I'm just gonna tap it out with ginger beer. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a cranberry Moscow Mule. And if you like the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!